अधिक आलोचना करने मुख्य संपादक अर्धेन्दु दास आम सहित फोन लाइन जोड़ी होती विस्तृत भाव में ता सहित महालक्ष्मी पाभानी आम सहित जोड़ी होती सर आपंकर गोटे फास्ट रिएक्शन जानापी चाहबू और महालक्ष्मी पाभानी आम सहित जोड़ी होती सहित आम आलोचना करवा आपण
प्रथम रिएक्शन तो होची आज आम समस्त शुणुले आज जो आर्गुमेंट होता सुप्रीम कोर्ट रे और सुप्रीम कोर्ट जो आर्गुमेंट है आम पक्षर सीनियर एडवोकेट महालक्ष्मी पवानी थिले एवं आउ गोटे पिटिशनर गौतम दास सीनियर एडवोकेट शुणुले सब उभय पक्षर जुक्ति तो कोर्ट शुणिले तेणु आम कोर्ट राय आसवा पूर्व बिफोर द जजमेंट ऑफ द कोर्ट आम किसी कहवा उचित हम ना कि आम आम पक्ष रखीचे आम जुक्ति रखीचे आम आईन कौन रखाई 1958 आमसर एक्ट कौन अच्छी तार अमेंडमेंट रे हमर सीनियर एडवोकेट महालक्ष्मी पावानी अमेंडमेंट कथा 2010 रे जो अमेंडमेंट होती से कथा भी रखिंट कंस्ट्रक्शन ना रे आपण कौन कर नहीं रोक लगे कौन कौन अच्छी 2010 जो अमेंडमेंट होता कथा भी रखिले आम एडवोकेट तेणु सब दुईटा पक्षर जुक्ति शुणी कोर्ट आम आशा रखा पक्ष को शुणला जो जजमेंट को आसंता काली को रखी संरक्षित रखा आम आशा करवा तो निहाती भाव में कोर्ट आईन लाइन रे जीवे आप देखु कोर्ट सब बेले कौन आईन अच्छी देखिए कोर्ट देखिए ना कि तुम्हें जीपीआरएस ग्राउंड पेनिट्रेटिंग डाटा सर्वे तुम्हें पाटितुंड है 8 दिन तले 10 दिन तले कर कोर्ट को मिसलीड करने चेष्टा कर 3-4टा रास्ता से कोर्ट को मिसलीड कर गोटे हूँ से मैंने जीपीआरएस कर मिसलीड कले कारण सब खोली सारा पर मैंने 15-20 फुट गात खोलिया पर से मैंने जीपीआरएस कर सब कंस्ट्रक्शन सरला पर जीपीआरएस
निश्चित निश्चित भाव में सर आम सहित महालक्ष्मी पाभानी अच्छी आप रिएक्शन नहीं पारे।
महालक्ष्मी जी आपका स्वागत है। मैं अर्धेन्दु बोल रहा हूँ यहाँ से भुवनेश्वर से।
जय जगन्नाथ।
हाँ जय जगन्नाथ। मैंने हम लोग तो सुन रहे थे कि जो वहाँ पे जो कोर्ट में जो सुनवाई हो रहा था उसमें 2-4 पॉइंट हमारे नजर में आया ये कि जैसे 2-4 पॉइंट पे मिसलीड करने के लिए वो ट्राई किए जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से जो लड़ रहे थे जैसे डायरेक्टर कल्चर इज द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी दे सेड ट्वाइस थ्राइस दे सेड बट इन 1958 आमसर एक्ट दिस इज क्लियरली मेंशन्ड कि DGSI ASI इज द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी बट ट्वाइस थ्राइस दे मिसलीड द कोर्ट कि डायरेक्टर कल्चर कहाँ से डायरेक्टर कल्चर आ गया इसके अंदर ये हमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट है। इस सुप्रीम कोर्ट में अगर स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने अगर झूठ का सहारा लेके ये बोलेंगे कि डायरेक्टर कल्चर इज द कॉम्पिटेंट अथॉरिटी इसको कैसे लिया जाएगा?
My क्या बोलूं? What can I say? See, I have presented the case before the Honorable Supreme Court. I have taken them through the complete pleadings. I have shown them the Act and Ancient Monuments Archaeological Site Remains Act of 1958. I have also showed them the 3 inspection reports, that is of 29/4/21, 28/5/21, and 1/5/2022, where the director, archaeological superintendent, Mr. Arun Malik, has categorically stated, and he has also stated by way of an affidavit of 8/5/2022 before the High Court, stating that there is no valid sanction given by any authority and the competent authority. National Monuments Authority is not a competent authority according to them. It is a creature of the MSR Act created under section 20F. So competent authority, who is the competent authority? He is the Director General. So unfortunately, yes, he was misleading the court into believing. And secondly, the thing is, even if the competent authority issued sanction, they could have issued a valid sanction only in the regulated area. So regulated area is within the 200 meters, after 100 meters and 200 meters. That is the regulated area, and that is where the competent authority can issue a legal sanction, permission to renovate or repair. Right. And this sanction, according to the amendment of 2010, there is a categorical embargo which prohibits any kind of construction, renovation, or repair, even by the competent authority. He himself has no authority to grant the sanction, which is in the prohibited area as per the Amendment Act of 2010. So we have shown this, and also the rules of 33 to 35 of the MSR rules, there is a categorical thing. But they are trying to take shelter under Section 2 DC of which is construction, saying that public toilets, urinals, everything. See, we are not against the development of the temple. We are not 1 minute saying that there must be inconvenience of any kind of pilgrims. Here we are fighting for a cause. Here we are fighting to
Yes,
say
yes,
that,
we are
listen,
fighting
the
for the cause,
state
ma'am.
has,
Yes,
yes, and
yes,
there
we are
is,
fighting for the cause, and we will
yeah, we
fight
are
for the cause
fighting for a
also.
cause. We are fighting for a cause and to asking the state government to follow the rules. There is an Article 49 of the Constitution which mandates protection of monuments, and there is also this MSR Act. So the rules cannot be, scuttled away. What they are saying is they are misleading by saying the National Monuments Authority. Let me tell you, there was an RTI and the National Monuments Authority, where the RTI, wherein the applicant asked whether there was permission granted by the Archaeological Survey of India. No, there was no
Yes,
sanction. There was absolutely no sanction by the
yes,
by the competent authority. So, and another thing what I want to tell you is Section 23. There is a judgment of this honorable court reported in Jantar Mantar's case. So there it is reported in 2012-2562, wherein it categorically says that whatever it is, no renovation under the garb of construction or reconstruction can take place within the prohibited area. My pleading before the court, my argument is very simple. If there are rules, they have to be followed. The state
yes,
has to protect the monument. It is an heritage
yes,
monument. It has got the
yes,
status of
right.
the national monument of national importance by a gazette notification of 3rd February 1975. So when there is a law in place, the rule of law has to be followed. The state is not superior. Even today, the state did not bring any affidavit. They just came to the court and said, no, no, no. We have done the heritage impact assessment studies. We have done the ground penetrating radar
In that
survey.
part,
No,
ma'am,
they have not
in
done
that part
anything. And
also,
without
ma'am, in that
without an
part,
affidavit, yes, Mr. Das, without an affidavit, without any backing, what is the basis? What is the legal sanctity of that statement? I ask myself
yes,
this. And so, and unfortunately for us, the archaeological superintendent, who stated in 3 affidavits and a joint inspection report, stating that there is no valid sanction and this destruction is happening, illegal desecration is happening, the stratified mud is being removed, which is causing irreparable damage to the structure. This has been stated, but here, unfortunately, he does not say anything. He simply supports the stand of the state government. It is very unfortunate that the court is being misled by this, but I have great faith in my judiciary. So, let us see
very
what
rightly
Lord
said, ma'am.
Jagannath.
You very rightly said that we जैसे कि हम लोग देख रहे थे कि
Huh.
they misled the court by saying that they have done the GPR survey, ground penetrating radar survey, after digging
Yes,
up so many holes, after digging
yes, and even
after
before
the
the High
excavation,
Court.
after the excavation, last week only they did the GPRS. Last week only,
See,
after this.
unfortunately, the court has misinterpreted this, and they are showing that the court has said the ASI should cooperate. Where can the ASI cooperate from when there is no sanction? There is no permission granted. First, you seek the permission, you take the permission, the accorded sanction, and then proceed. I have no problem with that. But not even the sanctioning authority, the competent authority cannot do anything within the prohibited area. That was my simple submission before the court.
Ma'am, as we all know that the court will go by law. What is in the law, the court will go in that way. So after this, the argument and the court heard both the parties. So what do you expect? The judgment
See,
tomorrow will
Mr.
come.
Das, I have only one thing to say to my clients. I say, मेहनत मेरा किस्मत आपका. I have done whatever I could do to defend and protect the heritage monument of Lord Jagannath. Rest is in their lordship's hands.
It's rightly you said, but one more thing I would like to ask you. I heard Mr. Pinaki Mishra. He was saying the Ardhendu Das has, money and has put more money in the court. Putting the senior advocate of the Supreme Court, being an advocate, being a party of another, advocate of another party. Is it fair from Pinaki Mishra to say like this, ma'am?
It is very unfortunate. Let me tell you, he's a seasoned senior advocate. I am just a raw senior advocate with 7 years of designation. And if he's speaking about money here, I'm standing here for a cause, and it's Lord Jagannath. And अगर वो बोलते हैं कि मैं बहुत अमीर हूँ and I'm taking fees in crores, that is all lies. My name specifies that I am very rich. I'm
मैं भी बहुत गरीब हूँ. मैं अर्धेंदु दास मैं भी बहुत गरीब हूँ मैम. आपको मालूम है? मैंने आपको कितना पैसा दिया? मैंने आपको कितना पैसा दिया? क्या है आपको मालूम है? और सारे उड़ीसा भी जानता है कि मैं गरीब हूँ.
एंड पूरा सुप्रीम कोर्ट भी जानता है कि महालक्ष्मी पावनी ज्यादा से ज्यादा दिल से लड़ती है, उन मुद्दों को लेकर लड़ती है जो उसके दिल के करीब है. आई एम ऑन द लीगल एड पैनल ऑफ द सुप्रीम कोर्ट एंड जजेस नो दैट I fight with passion. I fight for a cause. I stand up. I take causes for the women and children of this country also. So उनका बोलने से क्या हो जाता है? They had 5-6 seniors. Mr. Kapil Sibal, who is one of the costliest advocates of this country, was representing. Mr. Parija had flown. He was here for the past 4 days.
Madam, I don't understand. What is the need of bringing Mr. Kapil Sibal into this matter? Because they
that is because Mr. Pinaki Mishra submitted that he is Mr. Kapil Sibal's junior. So there were a battery of lawyers. And I was alone defending Mr. Ardhendu Das.
Okay, ma'am, we will expect what the judgment will come tomorrow. ये आशा करेंगे कि जगन्नाथ जी का कृपा होगा और सही जो उचित होगा वही जजमेंट ही आएगा. Thank you very much.
जय जगन्नाथ. Thank you.
जय जगन्नाथ. जय जगन्नाथ.
महालक्ष्मी पाभानी आम सहित सीधा सड़क आलोचना करुले जो गुरुत्वपूर्ण कथा कही जे सत्यर निश्चित भाव में जय हेबो एवं जे कार्य करने कथा निश्चित भाव में सारा आम कार्य करें. मुझे शुणाऊँगी जितेबाला पिनाकी मिश्र बाहर को आसुंच पिनाकी मिश्र दाम्भिकता एवं स्वर कौभली से बाइट शुणा आपंकर शेष प्रतिक्रिया जानापी चाहिए सर.